So sikhona soyihemuza sabafana bamahemihemu and uqinisele awuqinisele umuntu oshadile awumtsheli into ongafuna atshele omunye umuntu because ngingasho ukuthi ngeke ngitshele umuntu but you must know that my wife will know. That goes without saying.
Social media ngabona abantu bebabaza bemention igama lesilo.
Oh, ungangezwe lakhe.
Mangezwe lakhe. Umsizulu kaZwelithini.
Yes.
Yabo nami ngase ngiqala manje kwavuka lento kumina yabo yokuthanda indaba yabo ngiyayithanda indaba awukufanele kuphotha nama advisor.
Yes.
Kuthiwe how do we manage this situation now? I felt sorry for those people. But damn, how will they manage this situation?
That in mind, yini abasakazi abangayifunda ngendlela uJacinta akwazi ukupivot ngayo icareer yakhe, ngendlela akwazi ukuthi ngingaphuma emsakazweni kodwa ngizokwazi ukwenza into ezodala ukuthi ngibe ne-impact emphakathini still. Yes, ngangaba umbhobho this time around. Kodwa yena wathi ngizohamba ngemgaqweni and march. What is it that other radio presenters can learn from that? Co-hoster, I feel like kwakumele kugcine ngabasakazi aba-conversational. Kungayiswa kubasakazi abasakazayo.
Ukubona ufikile Mbalula ethi umhla ka-30 June awubangana impact. I was like, politicians can truly be ignorant.
Yeah.
Because ngokwami waba ne-impact, but it depends ukuthi wena wawufuna yiphi impact.
Yes.
Mhlambe yena uyitshela ukuthi i-impact kwakumele yenziwe ukuthi kube ne-violence.
So uma ngabe ugovernment esakwazi ukubiza i-meeting bese bethi lawyer is too rebellious.
Ngeke simbizi.
Asimbizi lawyer is too rebellious. Asimfuni ngeke nabe kulula ukukhuluma naye. Kodwa lawyer ngeke sikwazi ukukhuluma naye. Usilindele isisombululo lapho. So ngikhuluma ngemeeting eyabakhona phakathi kwamongameli phakwe lomthakathi noNgizwe without
wakhetha ukubiza laba umsakazi one background ye community radio uyazwakala uma driver ishow compared to or versus umsakazi ongakaze abe khona kwi community.
What I expect 100%. Uma ngabe kuukuthi disappointed ngokuzwayo kwi breakfast lekhaya njengamanje. Futhi wongamlandeli uDJ Fresh before.